Ma, and today I'm here with Eccles, who is about to be seen with a live T-Rex. Our producers told us to come over here because something was going down with the T-Rex. Eccles, do you mind if we ask you some questions?
Hey everybody, I am Eccles, and today I'm hunting a dinosaur.
Hey Eccles, do you think you'll have second thoughts once you get out of the time machine, or even like second guess yourself and not kill the T-Rex?
Well, I am a little nervous. I'm gripping my rifle, but I think I can do it.
Okay, thank you. Alright, now we're going to speak to Travis. Travis is the leader of the expedition. I'm stalled. Travis is the leader of the expedition. He goes and he leads everybody on the hunt. Travis, do you mind if we ask you some questions?
Sure. But I'm going to slow this boy down before he breaks anything. I'm just making sure that no one steps off this path. We're going to get in big trouble. I think I'm going to get fined.
What happens if we step off the path?
You don't want to know.
Oh, okay. Thank you for that.
Where you can go? Run before it dies. Done.
Eccles, what are you doing? Why are you running wild up the path? What has happened? Are you nervous? What? Can you not kill the dinosaur?
I just saw a dinosaur.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
You obviously look nervous. What? I mean, you ran off the path. What's happening?
I didn't expect it.
Travis, are you gonna be able to kill the dinosaur?
Hopefully, I don't know.
Okay. Lily, Eccles. Are you? Why did you run off the path?
I saw a dinosaur so big.
Travis, are we gonna get fined from the government for doing this?
Yes, very much so.
Okay. Well.
That's enough today.
The end.